Hey everyone, welcome back to Techiato. If you're looking for the best budget GPUs under $100 in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether you're upgrading an old system or building your first gaming PC, I've got you covered with the top 3 graphics cards that deliver the best performance for their price. Let's dive right in. GPU 3 Intel Arc A580. Starting off at number 3, we've got the Intel Arc A580. This GPU is seriously underrated. With 8GB of GDDR6 RAM and solid ray tracing support, it's a great choice for 1080p gaming. Most modern titles run smoothly on medium to high settings. Plus, Intel has been improving their drivers lately, which means better performance and stability. At around $170 to $190, it's a great option if you're looking for something new and a bit different from the usual NVIDIA, AMD cards. GPU to AMD Radeon RX 6600. Coming in at number 2, we have the AMD Radeon RX 6600. This card is a beast for the price. With 8GB of RAM and excellent efficiency, it performs amazingly well in 1080p and even some 1440p games. You'll get solid FPS in titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Cyberpunk 2077 on high settings. The RX 6600 usually goes for around $190 to $100 and sometimes even lower during sales. It's one of the best bangs for your buck. GPU 1 NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super. And at number 1, we've got the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super. Even in 2025, this card continues to dominate the sub-$200 market. With 6GB of GDDR6 memory and great optimization, it delivers smooth gameplay in all popular sports and AAA titles at 1080p. While it doesn't support ray tracing, its raw performance, stability, and compatibility make it a favorite among budget gamers. You can usually find a used or refurbished GTX 1660 Super for under $100, and if you get a good deal, it's still an amazing value. Conclusion. So, whether you go for the Arc A580, the RX 6600, or the GTX 1660 Super, you're getting a solid card without breaking the bank. Each has its strengths: Intel for something new and modern, AMD for value and power, and NVIDIA for consistency and support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Techiato. Let me know in the comments which GPU you're using or planning to buy. Catch you in the next one. Peace.